Here's how to short crypto on Bybit, step by step. First, open the Bybit app or go to bybit.com and log into your account. From the home page, if you're on PC, let's go to Trade and tap on Futures. Here, let's choose the coin that we want to short or long. Click on it. Here, choose your leverage, for example 5x, 10x or more. Remember, higher leverage means higher risk. Now select long or short. In our case, we're gonna sell short. This means you're betting the price will go down. Enter the amount you want to trade. Set it to market order if you want to execute it instantly, or limit order if you want it to be a specific price. Confirm your order. Your short position is now live. You'll make profits if crypto price goes down. If it goes up, you'll take a loss. To close the trade, simply tap Close Position. And that's how you short crypto on Bybit. Fast, simple, but always trade carefully. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.